So this is what my ice cream stand program looks like when it runs. Yours might be a little bit different, but these are the minimum requirements here. So let me run mine, and you can see that it says click to place an order, which I shall do. So chocolate or vanilla, I think I'll go for chocolate. And a dish, why not? Enter 2 for dish. A regular size, that's 1. Hot fudge, notice it gives me a default. I'll say yes. Sprinkles, I'll say no. And whipped cream, I will say yes. So it says in a nicely formatted output here, it says you ordered a regular size chocolate ice cream in a dish, toppings, hot fudge, comma, whipped cream. The cost is $5. Let me just run one more here. If I order again, I'll do a chocolate, cone, a large this time, and I'll take the first 2 toppings and then maybe no to this one right there. So again, it's pretty nicely formatted. You ordered a large chocolate ice cream in a cone, toppings, hot fudge sprinkles, $6. Wow, that seems high. All right, let me just run it one more time. This time maybe I'll do no toppings. So chocolate, cone, regular, no toppings. So what happens if I say no toppings? And it says you ordered a regular sized chocolate ice cream in a cone, no toppings, cost is $3.50. So I'm going to give you a good bit of this to start you off here. I mean, some of this stuff should be quite familiar. This is just an image that I have on top. And then here's my button on click. It runs this function, right? Remember, we've done this before. It runs the function, and inside my script here, this is the function. So I have a bunch of variables, and I'm going to give you all this, a bunch of variables. I'm prompting the user for flavor, container, cone or dish, what size they want, and so forth, all of that. Yes or no questions to hot fudge, sprinkles, and whipped cream. And then I'm even giving you a little bit more of a hint. Here I have a variable that I've declared called order, and I'm initializing it to you ordered. And I have a variable called cost, and I'm initializing it to 0. And I'll even give you a little bit more. So here you can see that I'm starting to figure out and put together what they ordered. If size equals 1, well, that's regular sized. And this order plus equals, that's the same thing as saying order equals order plus this string. So I'm concatenating a regular sized onto order. So at this point, it would say you ordered a regular sized, and I set the cost to $3.50. And as they order toppings, I'm just going to add to the cost. So this is kind of the concept you want to use to get going on your project. Now, these are the minimum requirements. You can have a much more complicated ice cream stand if you want to. And of course, at the end, I am, and you know how this works, of course, at the end, I am outputting the information right in between. I'm using get element by ID. You know how that works. And outputting the order right here and the cost right there. All right, hopefully that is enough to get you started. Thanks so much for watching.